Hello guys, ito na nga, dumating na yung package from Madam Style by Fab Lamour. So nag-order ako ng charms. Naghang. Ayan, so I ordered something from Fab Lamour and we will do a content about it. Alright, so this is it. I already received the order from Fab Lamour. So I ordered eye charm from Fab Lamour. So later you will see what are the things that I ordered. And let's go. Let's open. Hello, so I'm wearing this customized earrings by Fab Lamour. I really love the design, guys. So look at this. It's very amazing. I also like the necklace. It's also customized. So it's perfect if you have night out or if you have photo shoot. And let's go to the next earrings. Alright, so on to our next earring. So this is a Rendra. I really love the tassel detail as well as the crystal on the center. So look at the design, guys. It's very intricate. So the good thing about these Rendra earrings is you can pair it with a white dress, black dress. So it's very versatile. So don't worry, guys, I will attach, guys, the photos as well as the pricing, and then also I will link down below Fab Lamour's Instagram and Facebook page. So let's try our next earring. Hello, so this earring is also versatile. So I really like it because it gives you a rock chic vibe. So also perfect if you have night out or if you're wearing a black edgy dress or something edgy that you're wearing. So it's perfectly good. So let's try another one. Alrighty, so next one is our Stella earring. So this is my favorite from Fab Lamour because I can use it if I am doing work from home, and tonight time I can use it if I have a night out or a dinner out. So it's really cute. I love the spiral design of it. And it's also versatile, guys. So you can pair it with any outfit you have. So let's try our last earring. So last but not the least, I love this earring if you are, on the artist buy because I'm an artist. So I love the design of it. So it's also good if you have photo shoot, night out. So if you can really pull these earrings off, so definitely it will go with any color or whatever outfit that you have. So here you go. So again, thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. And if you're interested to order or check other designs of Fab Lamour, you can check their Instagram and also their official Facebook page. So there you go. So I hope you have a great day and Thank you so much for tuning in. Goodbye.